Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Rococo inspired outfit on Just Impress, and I will tell you the hair combo as well. Moving everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. You don't need VIP except if you want the fan, which isn't super necessary, but let's get started with the video. Only a few adjustments on the hair. Use this hair and I just colored it white. You can also color it this color. But I think I colored it white because like the lighting made it like blonde. But I guess you can either do this one or like the actual like white color. So let me just do this to all of the hairs real quick. Okay, so I used this hair over here, and for the adjustments I did position white at 0.53, and then I used this hair, this and this, and I made no adjustments to that whatsoever. Now for the outfit, let me see if I remember everything. For the sleeves, I went to the World Cultures area and I used these sleeves in the only sleeves toggle. And for this specific fit, we are going to save one pattern that we're going to be using a lot, so make sure you do that, which is this one over here. And I just colored it matte for both. I also just did the same on the second one. You can also color it blue or pink. It's up to you like how you want to color it though. And then I am going to go to codes and I'm going to select this item with the bow and type 2, and I'm going to use this pattern. And then I think I did like a pink. You can't really see that like bottom later, so I did pink. And then for the bow I did blue, but like a darker blue because the light kind of reflects a little bit on it, so I did that. And then for the skirt, I used this poofy skirt from Codes in this blue color first, and then I did the pattern and then the pattern again. And then I think I'll just do like I think I did this color over here, this one, yeah. And then I went to the World Cultures area again, used this skirt. I think I did blue for this one. And then I added the witch's skirt as well on top of that, but in the pattern and in blue. Then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to add this skirt. So let me just grab that real quick. If I can just, where is it? Hello? Sorry. Okay, it's this one here in only skirt, and we're just going to color everything blue. Then I'm also going to get this skirt here in blue as well, in matte for both. Then I'm going to get this currency item over here as well in only skirt with no layering, color it blue. I also added this top from the summer's collection, this one, in top only, no sleeves. And then I did the pattern, and then I did a blue for the kind of like lace. I also used this, where is it? This necklace here in blue. Oh my gosh, is this blue? Why does that look white? Okay. And I think I'm going to make it a little bit darker so you can see it a little bit better. Why isn't it changing colors? Oh. Hello? Okay, it's not changing colors at the moment. For some reasons, I don't know why. You cannot choose, but you can't really see them anyways. And my internet got disconnected. No wonder I can't change the color. But you can just get the fan, and that's pretty much it. I'm not going to continue because of my internet, but it's done anyways. You just needed to add that last piece of fan. And you're just going to color that pattern and that same blue. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.